Okay, so now we have to substitute the 6. Okay, 6. 6 minus 5. In this case, what will be our answer? Very good, Jan. Excellent. I see that you guys understand pretty well, and that makes me really happy. It means that our virtual classes have been working. Excellent. Very good. I'm really proud. So we're going to do the other one. Please, you will have to download Zoom because if not, we're going to be having this problem. Like, it's impossible. So, las personas que no puedan bajar Zoom, lo siento mucho, tienen que ver la manera de poder hacerlo. No es mi problema ni tampoco mi culpa. Así que lo vamos a tener que hacer por medio de ahí. Yo lo siento, quería que me complicarlos menos porque nos decían que no podían, que no sé qué. Queremos hacerlo por YouTube, pero ya vieron que es algo complicado, ¿verdad? Sí, todas las demás clases están funcionando así. El único problema es con quinto grado, que siempre ponen peros. Okay, so now let's do number 3. Que tienen el día de hoy para poder bajarlo para que mañana pues tengamos nuestra clase ahí, porque la verdad es muy estresante. Now, y equals 7x. The difference here, we already did addition, subtraction, and now we're going to do multiplication. We have x and we have y. The difference here, 12, we have 14, and we have 8. So now let's see. 84, very good, but let's do it. Yeah, Hugo is there. So we say y equals 7 times 12 because I need to substitute the x, right? And 7 times 12 is 84. Excellent. Now, in the next one, they give us the value of y, right? Of y. So instead of substituting in x, we're going to substitute in y. Y will be 14 equals 7x. If we want to leave the x alone, because x is what I don't have, 7 is multiplying x. Don't put the answers if you don't know the process. Look, in this case, we have y, but we don't have x. So we need to, here the 7 is multiplying. We need to leave the x alone. If the x goes to the other side, what is going to do? The opposite of multiplying, that is, what are we going to do? We divide. Very good. So it's going to be 14 divided by 7 equals x. Why? Because this will go to this side to do the opposite of multiplying. So we can leave the x alone. So 7 will pass to divide, and that's how we're going to figure out how x is. And 14 divided by 7 equals to what? To 2. Very good, Ruby. So in this case, since they already gave me my y, my x is going to be 2. The difference in this one was that they normally give us the x, but in this case they gave us the y. So that's why we substituted where the y was, and we figure out what x was. Are we okay? So let's continue. Now in this case, they are giving us x. X supposedly is 8. So let's substitute. In our initial equation. So we have y equals 7 times who? Times 8. So y will be equals to how much? Times table. 56. Check your multiplications table. Very good. 56. So my answer is going to be 56. We only have to substitute, otherwise not 15. 7 times 8 is not 15. It's 56. It's not 74. Check your multiplications table. Okay, we're going to do the next one. Number 4. It says plus x. I'm kind of, I cannot see. Okay, let's do the process. We have the values of x. Let's substitute. How much is 12 divided by 1? A lot of you don't know the answer of that. Remember that all number divided by 1 is the same number, because when we have 12 divided by 1 is equal to, it won't be equal to 1, it will be equal to 12, right? Very good. Very good. No, Ruby, it's not equal to 1. 12 divided by 1 equals to 12. Now 12 divided by 12 equals to 1. If the 1 was a 12, then 12 divided by 12 is 1. But 12 divided by 1 is 12. Okay? Okay, now let's move to the other one. Substitute. 12 divided by x, that in this case is 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Very good. So we put 6. Now we're going to substitute 3. 3. Our initial equation, y equals 12 divided by 3. So y will be equals to 4. Ariana, check your multiplications table. Very good to the people that said 4. Excellent. Very good. Now, let's do number 7. We're going to jump to number 7 and then go back, okay? Just to make things more interesting. This is the short of Google. I don't have any eraser. So funny. Okay, number 7. Number 7 says y equals 9x, right? So let's do it. X and y. Okay, so we have 0. Let's do the process. 0 in here. And we have a 2, right? So let's see. Let's substitute. Y equals 9. Let's substitute the x that we have, that is 0. And 9 times 0 is 0. Very good, guys. Very good. Very good. Why 4? No, it's 0. Very good. Let's do the second one. In the second one, we have a difference. Why? because they're not giving us x. They're giving us y. So let's substitute. In the y, we're going to put 0. Do you see? And we copy the same equation, 9x. Why? Because in this case, they're not giving us x. They're giving us y. One number multiplied by 9 gives me this. X will be equals to what? No, guys. Oh, sorry. I saw 0, but it's a 9. I don't have my glasses. Here. Listen. Yeah, someone had to tell me. Miss, the number is 9. I don't have my glasses on. So let's see. What are we going to do? Let's do the process because not all of you understand it that way. So let's see. Here we have x, so that's what we need to figure out. Look, I already have one that's incorrect. So the 9 is multiplying x. For me to leave the x alone, let's see, Jaslyn. Here is multiplying. No, Alex. In here is multiplying. I need to leave the x alone and pass it to the other side. That means that the 9 is going to pass to what? To multiply or divide? No, no, Camila. Here the x is multiplying. I need to leave the x alone. No, guys. No, guys. Please, listen. Here, 9 and x are multiplying. I need to leave the x alone. So that means that the 9 is going to pass to the other side to do the opposite. And what is the opposite of multiplying? Dividing. Very good. So will be, no, Keiten, 9 divided by 9. And 9 divided by 9 equals to 1. Very good. All number divided by itself equals to 1. Remember, always, it will do the opposite on the other side. No, Alex, 9 divided by 9. We are not multiplying, we are dividing. Why are we dividing? Because I need to leave the, don't be sorry, sweetie. We need to leave this x alone, solita. For it to be alone, it has to pass to the other side. Why you're saying 81, Camila? If the x has to be left alone, it will pass to the other side to divide, because in here is multiplying. So we'll pass to the other side to divide. We will have 9 divided by 9. And 9 divided by 9 is 1. So that means that 1 is going to be our x, right? No, don't be sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Very good. Very good. Now let's continue. Let's see number 6. Why? I'm going to try not to say names because I figure out when I don't say names, I don't get blocked. So let's see. Whew. Okay. Mhm. I'm going to try to see the numbers 6 and 9. Okay. Don't give me the answer. Let's do the process. I see a lot of wrong answers. So let's see. Let's see. Oh, right now I'm receiving the last answers. Don't worry. They're not wrong. It's just that the messages are coming after. Okay. So let's see. Let's substitute. We have the values of x, right? So we say y, we copy all of them because y is the one that we're looking for, equals to 1. That is the same number of my equation, but I'm going to substitute in the values of x. It would be 0. How much is 1 plus 0? Very good. 1. So the value of y will be 1. Very good. Yeah, but that's why you need to practice, guys. You need to practice. No, I'm not leaving homework because we're not allowed to leave homework, but yes, you will have a little class practice. Okay? So let's see. Now let's do the second one. Let's substitute. Y equals 1 plus 6, right? And y will be equals to 7. Very good. Very good. And the last one. Who can tell me the last one? I'm not gonna do it. You do it and put and give me the answer. Oh my god, everything is gonna fall. You're gonna give me the answer. I need to check the schedule. I'm checking the schedule. Let me see. Let me see. So we will have 10. If the 10 is your answer, is correct. 15. Why 15 if it's... Oh, sorry, the 9. Yeah. No, be careful, guys. This is the initial equation. This one, no, this one that was before. This, you have to substitute in this one. Be careful. I need to check the schedule. I know. Always commenting. Let's see. I'm looking for the schedule at what hour we finish this class. But I don't seem to find it. Everybody's sending stuff. Okay, 6th grade. 6th grade, 5th grade. Okay, we finish at 10:30. We're almost finished. Okay, guys. So what we're going to do is the following. You are going to, we almost did all of them, and there's no more exercises. So just send me from 1 to 7 to my email that you did it, and or a picture, right? Only if you can. Just send me the picture of the exercises we did together. And with that, we're dismissed. But I need to receive the classwork and the class practice that I did with you. Okay, so it will be from 1 to 7. Okay, do from 1 to 7. Do it slowly. Try to do it again. So if you don't understand something, ask me. Okay. No, it's not homework. If you read the schedule from 10:30 to 11:10, that means I have to be receiving this before 11:10. If I don't receive it, it's not gonna count as points. Okay? Yes, I need to receive it from 10:30 to 11:10. After that, it will be a 0. I need to receive because it's class practice and we did it together. You just have to do it again in your own. Miss Camila. Okay? Are we good? I'm gonna send this message to the chat so people can understand what we're doing. Yes, very good, Ahmed. That's what you have to do. Send me the picture of this work. And I don't want only answers. No, you need to copy the equation and do the little box with the answers. Okay? Make sure you understand? No, Ruby. From 1 to 7. All of them. Okay? Right? So right now we're gonna end this live and you're gonna start working, right? And sending me your works. Remember, if I don't receive this work before 11:10, it means that you have a 0 and you won't have the chance to present it later. Okay? So work. See you guys. Love you.